Welcome to this quick video on hiding the general channel in Microsoft Teams. So recently, Microsoft Teams updated the functionality so that you can also hide the general channel as well as any other channels that you create. So you may know when you create a team in Microsoft Teams, a general channel is automatically allocated. It's there and it's ready to start working with. But sometimes, and I do the same thing, I just add the other channels that I need. I make some of them private, keep some of them public. I rename them and I use them and I work better with the other channels. And the general channel sometimes just tends to sit there and it gets in the way and it's not used by anyone. Like you can see, I'm in my general channel right now and there's no post in there, there's nothing in there. It's actually telling me welcome to my new team, but I've had this team for a very long time. And what Microsoft have finally done, it's definitely been one that we've been waiting on for a while, is enabled us to hide the general channel. Now, don't worry if you do hide it, you can always bring it back if you need to. People can always see it. But if you click on those three dots next to the general channel, you'll now find hide, just like you will be able to find in all the other channels that were created manually. So when I click hide, it will go italic and then it will disappear eventually. Sometimes it does it straight away, sometimes it doesn't do it. It's misbehaving for me right now because usually it just hides, it disappears. There we go, it's gone. So I can't see it anymore. Sometimes it goes straight away, sometimes it goes italics and it waits a few moments for you to click away. If I click back and forward, you can now see at the bottom, you can see all channels because I've got some hidden channels and I can obviously go in and hide other ones that I created before. These are manual ones that I've done, but they are always all available in see all channels. And if I just show you how to bring it back, just in case you do that, and then you're like, I need to grab it back at some point, let's click See All Channels. And then you can see the general channel that's recommended. It's got a show next to it. So the other ones that you can see that are visible, like articles, it's shown. But the general channel's got show there, and if I press on that, if I click on that, you can see on the left hand side my general channel is back. So really quick, but just wanted to show you this because it helps me a lot just to get rid of any channels that are not used and keep my teams tidy because my work teams is so busy. There's so much going on and there's just some channels that are not used or barely used, and it's great to just hide them out of the way and forget about them until something happens in them and you need to go back to them. So you could always find a channel that you've hidden and you can now hide those general channels if that works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and please do let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.